Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on manufacturing process. We are from BMKV S22. Today, we will explore how a simple kitchen utensil, the metal fork, is manufactured using advanced manufacturing technique.
Okay, I, Nur Zahir, and my friend Siti Nur Athirah Binti Nasrubillah, as a group representative, will explain three main manufacturing processes in the making of metal forks, such as stamping, hot forging, and finishing. So, let's begin.
Before we start, let's look at the raw material. Metal forks are made from metal coil or sheet, typically 2 to 4 mm thick. The material must have good strength, formability, and corrosion resistance for food contact application.
Process number 1, blanking and stamping. This is the first major process where we cut the basic fork shape from the metal sheet. Imagine using a giant cookie cutter, but for metal. The process starts with the metal coil being uncoiled and straightened. Then it feeds continuously into a stamping press, a powerful machine that can apply 100 to 300 tons of force.
Inside the press, there are specially designed die, like a mold. When the press ram comes down, bang, the punch forces the metal through the die, cutting out the flat fork shape in one single stroke. What come out? A flat fork blank that includes the handle and the outline where the fork tines will be found. The leftover scrap material? Don't worry, it's collected and recycled.
Why is stamping so good? Because it's fast. Modern machines can produce 30 to 60 strokes per minute. That is 1,000 forks per hour. Plus, it gives excellent accuracy and minimal waste. But remember, at this stage, the fork is still flat, like a paper cutout. It needs to become 3D. That's where our next process comes in.
Next, process number 2, hot forging. Now, things get hot, literally. The flat fork planks are heated in a furnace to temperature between 900 to 1200 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than molten lava.
Why so hot? Because at high temperatures, the metal becomes soft and easy to shape, like warm clay. But we must be careful. Too cold and the metal won't form properly. Too hot and it can damage the metal structure.
After heating, the glowing hot planks are quickly moved to the forging press. Speed is important here to prevent heat loss. The forging press has specially shaped dies, one for the top and one for the bottom. When the press closes with tremendous force, 200 to 5 tons, the hot metal flow into the die's cavities like thick honey. This is where the magic happens.
The metal transforms from flat to 3D. The handles curve beautifully, and most importantly, the four tines separate and form. The fork now looks like, well, a fork.
But hot forging doesn't just change the shape, it also makes the metal stronger. How? By refining the internal grain structure and creating grain flow patterns that follow the fork shape. This means better strength and durability.
However, after forging, the fork isn't perfect yet. There's excess material called flesh around the edges, and the surface is rough with scale. So, we need our third process to clean it up.
Let's look to process number 3, trimming and finishing. This final stage actually includes several operations to perfect the fork. Let's go through them one by one.
First, trimming. The forged fork goes into a trimming press that cuts away all the excess flesh material in one clean stroke. Now the fork has clean, defined edges.
Second, grinding. Belt grinding machine with abrasive belt smooth out the surface. We start the coarse belt to remove material quickly, then use finer belt for smooth finishing. The tines, tips, edges, and handle are all carefully ground.
Third, polishing. This is where the fork gets its beautiful shine. Buffing wheels with a polishing compound create that mirror-like finish we all love. Multiple polishing stages ensure every surface is perfectly smooth and reflective.
Fourth, heat treatment. Many forks undergo controlled heating and cooling cycle to optimize their hardness and strength. This ensures the fork would not bend or break during normal use.
Finally, inspection. Every fork is checked for dimensional accuracy, surface quality, and strength. Only forks that pass all quality tests are approved for packaging and sale.
And there you have it, from a flat metal blank to a strong, beautiful, and shiny. Your metal fork is ready for your dining table. Quality control happens at every stage, from raw material inspection to final testing. This ensures every fork meets safety and performs standard for food contact use.
Modern fork manufacturing combines efficiency with quality. Automation and process optimization allow factories to produce thousands of high-quality forks every day at affordable prices. Now, let's quickly recap the journey. Step 1, stamping. Cut the flat shape from the metal sheet. Step 2, hot forging heat and form into 3D shape with separate lines. And the last one, step 3, finishing. Trim, grind, polish, heat treat and inspect. This has been at the end of our video.
Thank you for watching.